Good afternoon. More sunshine is on offer today after yesterday's deluge. In fact, 48 hours worth of rain, over 100 millimetres for some parts of Wales. So yes, it is drier today, but it's not completely dry. If I show you the satellite picture, you can see the low pressure that brought the wet, but unusually windy weather moving away into the North Sea. We've got this chilly north wind and already the rain for tomorrow queuing up in the wings. And this is how the rainfall chart looks. So it's not completely dry. I've got plenty of showers away, but at least that rain is starting to move out of the way. Some of the showers could be on the sharp side, but equally some places will escape them altogether and stay dry. And we are finally starting to see those winds easing too. And it will feel, I should imagine, quite pleasant. 12 to 15 though, temperature-wise, is still below, much below where we should be at this time of year. But as I say, the May sunshine's quite strong. Overnight though, we cut off that northerly wind. We start to lose our cloud, just a few showers. So it's going to be chilly. A touch of frost we had last night in Scotland, more widely overnight, even a ground frost in some places further south, but not in the west. Because by morning we've got the next band of rain, 3 or 4 hours of wet weather to come for Northern Ireland, and for a time some fairly brisk winds as well, which will then move in across western Scotland, Wales, western England through the afternoon. So perhaps the drier spots up towards the north and east as today, and possibly just a few showers further east until tea time. And by that stage it's brightening in Northern Ireland with a few showers as well. And that low pressure then hangs around for a couple of days as well, giving us more unsettled weather. There's just the hint that as we head towards the end of the week, pressure starts to rise. So the showers, the rain gets less frequent. But for Monday, well, you can see by that stage we have got quite a bit of wet weather predicted across the north of Scotland. Slow moving heavy showers once again elsewhere, 13 to 14 below par temperature wise. But given the strength of the May sunshine, those showers again could be on the heavy side. So it's probably going to be the end of the week, the second half of next week, before we have the chance of things getting just a little drier. Bye-bye. Afternoon. This was the view taken from Church Stretton just a few hours ago. Some sunshine around, but equally today some showers. It's not as wet as it was yesterday. The rain's finally clearing away from the south coast, and it'll be a scattering of showers. It's more likely we'll just have quite cloudy skies with fair weather cloud. This low pressure though, through the space of 48 hours, brought over 100 millimetres to some places. Behind it, we've been plunged into a northerly wind. So although that's easing, it's obviously chilly air. So temperatures are only around the 12 to 14 mark, and the showers are around, and the odd one will be heavy, but by and large they'll be well scattered. Some places could escape dry with some good spells of brightness or even some strong May sunshine. But through the fine evening, the temperatures will fall away. It's chilly air, as I say, so we will see a colder night on the cards. There could well be some frost again, as we had in Scotland last night, but more widely a ground frost across many central and northern areas. Not the west, though, because as you can see, by morning, we've got the next band of rain moving into Northern Ireland, and that will push its way eastwards during the day. It'll actually be quite windy just on that weather front for an hour or two, because it's this area of low pressure driving it in. So you can see that area of rain. It will be 3 or 4 hours of rain for most of us, and the winds will pick up for a time. But some brightness in eastern areas, and it might well stay quite fine and bright, as we saw yesterday across the Northern Isles for much of the day. Some showers ahead of the rain, but some dry and bright weather as well. That rain clearing to sunshine and showers for Northern Ireland. But for many, as you can see, there will be some fairly active weather for a few hours, and so temperatures will be much of a muchness, 11 to 14. Now, by Monday, that rain stuck across northern and western parts of Scotland, so having had a couple of decent days, drier days here, we've got the rain to come and lots of slow moving showers elsewhere. So it's back to that sunshine and showers scenario. But between, as the winds start to ease off through the week, we will feel the warmth of that May sunshine, but we're not expecting temperatures to get much above the mid to high teens. That low pressure, as you can see, just started to move out in the North Sea. So that's where the focus for the showers will be, central and eastern areas as we move into Tuesday. Just the hint that we might see pressure building later in the week, which will just quieten the weather down, but it still looks as if we will at times have some showery rain and quite a bit of cloud. As ever, you can find out more details, particularly regional, on the website. Hello there. Some sunshine in Perth and Kinross earlier this morning, and there will be more sunshine on offer this afternoon between the showers, but the shower clouds are brewing once again. The rain is just about clearing the south coast. So it will be an afternoon of sunny spells and scattered quite heavy showers for some, but equally some will miss them. It's going to be much drier for many and brighter than yesterday, and the winds are easing as well. But you may have noticed they're coming down from the north, so it's not going to feel particularly warm. Still only 12 to 15 degrees Celsius, but some strong May sunshine out there, which continues into this evening. And then overnight, clearing skies bar the odd shower and a little bit of rain coming into the west. But where we keep those clear skies, Temperatures will dip close to freezing, so there'll be some ground frost around across central and northern parts. Further west, however, wet morning to come tomorrow for Northern Ireland. That rain then pushes its way into Wales, Western England, Western Scotland through the afternoon. Sunshine and showers follow for Northern Ireland, perhaps hanging on to some dry weather further east. Good evening. At least we had a respite from the persistent rain today, although we still had a few showers. But as we go into Sunday, we've got another band of rain coming in, and it's going to be a chilly start. We've had some showers through the day, and those will continue through the evening and then fade away. And under the starry skies, temperatures are going to fall close to freezing. We had a frost last night in Scotland, and it'll be more generally chilly overnight with ground frost in many central and northern areas, although further west, we've already got the next band of rain coming into Northern Ireland by morning. So it turns wet quite quickly for Northern Ireland. A bright start further east and holding on to some drier weather through the day, but the rain pushes its way eastwards, pushes into Western Scotland, Western England, Wales. For a time, there'll be some quite hefty downpours and some quite gusty winds as well, and temperatures won't be any great shakes, 13s or 14s at best, because we've got all that cloud. It turns brighter and showery for Northern Ireland later, and it's certainly a day of heavy showers on Monday.